National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, County in north central Illinois, west central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern Lee County in north central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern King County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Plainfield to 7 miles northeast of Walnut, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, St. Charles, Oswego, Batavia, Geneva, Ottawa, Yorkville, Streator, Little Rock, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, Peru, Sandwich, Mendota, Marseilles, Oglesby, and Seneca. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 92. Interstate 55 between mile markers 248 and 253. Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 103, and between mile markers 119 and 128. Interstate 88 between mile markers 98 and 117. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Buffalo Rock State Park, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Illini State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Joliet Junior College, Lee County Fairgrounds, Mathewson State Park, Starved Rock State Park, Tri-County Fairgrounds, and Waubonsee Community College. Wind damage with these storms may occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside. A severe